I want to tell you how I use a Tibetan bowl to work on a particular chakra, say my Solar Plexus Chakra. When I first bought this, I was drawn to the beautiful sound that it creates. I also liked the fact that it was not too heavy and I could hold it in one hand without my arm getting tired. Now sometimes I just use the stick around the rim of the bowl like this. This produces a nice continuous sound which helps me when I'm meditating. But mostly I like to strike it with a mallet like this. This creates a beautiful bell-like sound. This sound reverberates for about a minute. I like to use this for self-healing. After tapping the bowl, I will slowly move it up and down through all my chakras for overall chakra energy healing. I might then tap the bowl again and move it in circles through my whole auric field. If I feel on some days that I need to do some extra work on a particular chakra, I will tap it again like this and move it in circles around, say, my Solar Plexus Chakra. Then I'll tap it once more and this time hold it in one position opposite my Solar Plexus Chakra. After repeating this a number of times, I usually feel very relaxed and refreshed and ready for whatever the rest of the day will bring.